what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Better like and subscribe. Today we have May. May is a rescue bird that we saved, or my dad did. Well, she thinks my mom is her mommy, because every time we try to get her onto this little blanket, she just scoots back up. So, well, she won't come off, so we're just doing this. But, yeah. So, you can't tell, she's sleeping. Well, not right now, but, yeah, she is a, what is it, a Barnaby?
Barn swallow.
Oh, yeah, barn swallow bird. These birds type of live in a barn, but not really a barn, but they like stand like a barn house or something like that. But these are what Barnabys look like. Let me, Barnaby birds. So Barnaby birds,
according to World Bird Sanctuary,
Barnaby, or not a Barnaby, barn. Yeah, barn swallow bird. So females, this is a female right here. Female. So females are not the pretty color. So it's a female. You can't tell by her name. Her name is her name is May, but these are what they look like when they get older. You probably can't tell right now that it's like a barn swallow. So these are what they look like. This is a female when he gets older. So if you can't tell right there, it's black on the top. Don't have all of its fur. Black on the top, the feather. See see the yellow under it. So that's what this bird has. See the same. See, it has a little stomach. So that's how you can tell the difference.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.